Yo, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Happy Thursday. I hope you all had a fantastic trading session today. And yes, today is the last day of September. This month was pretty crazy. So taking you to the monthly time frame, let's take a look at where we closed red, obviously, right? That was known. So we closed here at 429.14, wiped out August, but we're slightly above the open of July. July opened at, I'm looking at these numbers right here, guys. I'm looking at 428.87 as the open in July. The close was a 429.14. So not too good, not too bad. But statistically speaking, okay, October, November, and December should be good months for the stock market. All right, so I'm definitely looking forward to October. Certainly looking for November, and for sure the Santa rally coming into December. Now, that's all indicative of all these uncertainties lingering around in the world to fade away, and we are free to go. Now, down to the daily time frame. Okay, let me reset the chart and let's review real quick here. Okay, but before we do, actually, let me brainwash you like I normally do. Subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up on these videos, and definitely hit that bell notification icon so you'll be notified when I upload these videos, because I don't want you to miss a thing. All right, we've been reviewing the SPY. We've been telling you guys since yesterday or the day before that there was going to be further continuation to the downside if we were to break these certain levels that I'll review here again with you. Okay, so we're going to review what transpired since September the 2nd all the way down to the September the 30th low. All right, so let me turn on my labels and let's go down to the 1 hour time frame. All right, I want to show you guys something real quick. Okay, so I took a screenshot of the Discord group and I want to show you two of them. Okay, so every morning, in the afternoon, and throughout the day, I update the group. Okay, I post all the charts for the indices and I let them know what the resistance levels and support levels we should be looking for the SPY, for the Qs. If I scroll over, well, I can't, but if you were in the Discord group, you'll know we do all the SMH, IWM, and so on and so forth. All right, so this morning we stated that the resistance was 435.93 through 437.40, and support we will be at 430.05 to 425. Okay, the morning, I'm just can't click on it, but I'm clicking here. So this is a blow up of that screenshot of the chart, right? So why do we pick those levels? I'm going to review with you guys and tell you why and how I came up with these levels, right? 437, 435, 430, and 425. Okay, sure enough, look, that's exactly what happened. Okay, so before we dive into all of this, this is the reason why you should consider joining Trending Waves. If you want to join, it's totally free for now, for a very limited period of time. Okay, the link to the Discord group will be pinned down in the comment section. If you want everyday Elliott wave analysis updates like I just showed you, join the Discord group, totally free. Okay, for now, I'll send you the details once you join. Okay, and what to look forward to. Now, from September 2nd highs, okay, let me shut off our moving averages because they get underway. So we went down in 1, actually 30-minute time frame. I have the labels here. So we went down in 1, up in 2, down in 3, up in 4, and down in 5. So on September the 16th, September the 9th rather, we established a trend line, right? That was confirmed here on September the 16th by the wave 4 pullback. Wave 4 did not go above the termination of wave 1. Okay, so that's still valid within the Elliott wave guidelines. We then sold off into the wave 5 of wave A in the intermediate wave degree. We set a new low on September the 20th. We then rallied up in A, down in B. Okay, this was, I'm not gonna lie, this was a bit confusing. Okay, a bit tricky to track because we were displaying 5 waves up, but it ended up being a rejection at the 618 of wave B. So I've told you guys that wave Bs are really tricky to track. Okay, and a 618, 786 are common levels to be looking for, but because we had additional resistance lines and resistance levels, right, like the one we're just pointing right now, this was retested back in September the 23rd, the 24th, and the 27th. So this is a significant level that we also have to keep our eyes open to. So 618 rejection, down in 1, up in 2. Okay, rejected again on the 27th, and then we accelerated with a gap down towards the wave 3. Okay, now it was at this point on the wave, on the pullback, that we were establishing a support, an overhead resistance over retracement. So how did we know that this would have been a level to watch for? And this is where Elliott wave comes into play, right? Because we knew that this was the high of the wave B of, sorry, wave C of B based on the count that we had here and the resistance level that was established. Okay, we then can count 5 waves down in 1, A, B, C, pull back into the wave 2, and then the wave 3. So we took a retracement tool from the wave 2 to the wave 3 to get the wave 4. Okay, the possibilities of where, or projections rather, where wave 4 could top. Okay, and find resistance. Obviously, wave 4 can go towards it can go all the way up, but cannot retrace beyond the territory of wave 1. That's why I have this label here in validation. Because if, for instance, this kept on going up, then this wave count would have been totally different. So our immediate resistance levels were for 437 and 435, which is the 38.2 and the 23.6 fib retracement levels, okay, which is appropriate for wave 4. We then found resistance. We were just consolidating around it, which was another hint for us to say, okay, this is certainly looking like a wave 4 pullback. It's not looking more than that. Okay, we're not displaying no impulsive structures. This is still overlapping. I mean, yesterday's price action was horrible, guys. I mean, it gave me a headache. And today we broke down. It was looking similar like this morning, but we broke down eventually. So we broke the lows of September the 28th. We found then support at the 618. So where's the 618 coming from? The 618 is an extension of wave 2 versus wave 3 to the wave 4. And you get the 618 to the 100%. Okay, that's now considering the wave 5. So we have 3 levels to keep our eyes open to. Okay, since I mentioned this yesterday, we have the 618, which we broke below it. It was support here at 12:30, at 12 p.m. and then 12:30 we bounced and then we sold off. Okay, now we're finding support at the lows of September the 20th. This is where I want to see SPY break. Okay, I want to see SPY break below this low. The Qs did it already. The SPY will follow. I'm thinking, right? This is my hypothesis. This is my thesis. This is my interpretation, my opinion. Okay. So we have yet to form a completed 5 wave down here. We're in the makings of it. Okay, so it is more likely than not that we will push on lower. So the next level of support that I'm looking for is the 425.90. At which point I will detail you guys my game plan. Okay, some of us in the Discord group took advantage of this decline. Okay, it was obvious that doing this, you call this a double top, right? It was obvious that this zone of resistance was evident, and so taking the short-term put trade was made sense. But to me, I feel like I wanted to see this whole thing unfold and confirm this new trend lower, and then confirm the 3-wave pullback, and then down we go. So I just mentioned to you guys what my game plan is going to be. I want to see this confirm the new low, okay, below the 420, the September 20th low at 425.90. Or somewhere in between. And then I want to see let me do this here. Oops. I want to see up in A, down in B, up in C to retest at the very least the trend line resistance, right? I want to see this retest. Why? Because it's significant, okay? That'll tell me if we break above it, okay, then we'll start looking for overhead resistance or key fib levels that will tell us that perhaps this was the bottom already, okay, and the wave count looks different. I have the wave count as an alternative, but it's in the Discord group. So if you guys want to see it, hop on over and then you'll see it right away. So that's the game plan. Perhaps we come short of it, but we hold this as resistance and then we sell off. And then that's the bigger move, right? Because that'll be the wave 3. The wave 3 will take us I don't know where, because we want to see this wave 2 pull back, come to completion. All right, guys, so that's pretty clear now. I hope that is helpful. That's why I'm telling you guys, thank you for joining. Okay, we've been displaying good price action here, calling it to the T. And yeah, so over to the Qs. The Qs also consolidating, broke down below the 200% extension that we were looking at. So now I want to see this wave 5 complete, right? Retesting this lower trend line that comes in at the 100% extension of wave. Let me double down here. Of wave A versus wave B, you get the 100%. So that'll be equality. That's textbook Elliott wave. Okay, C will be equal to wave A. Okay, 618 resistance at the wave B, and so yeah, so that's pretty much the game plan. Once this is complete, we retrace back to the wave 2, and then we take advantage of a larger wave down to the wave 3. Okay, pretty simple, guys, right? It's not actually, but you get the point. All right, guys, so that's it for me tonight. I'm pretty excited as to what's going to happen tomorrow. Maybe we consolidate, maybe we break down, but following the Elliott Wave guidelines and rules that we've established here in our charts, we should be good to go. As always, I do appreciate your time, appreciate your patience. Thank you for subscribing, join Trending Waves. The link is pinned down in the comment section. Also, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this wave count and my analysis. I do appreciate every single one of you, so take care. Peace out. October the 1st is tomorrow, Friday. Bye.